Just what is it that you want to do?
Well, we want to be free.
We want to be free to do what we want to do. And we want to get loaded. And we want to have a good time. That's what we're going to do. Away, baby, let's go.
Smoke good.
We're going to have a good time.
Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. I hop up out my bed cause I know I gotta grind today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. Yesterday's goals, I'ma make sure that they mine today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. I hop up out my bed cause I know I gotta grind today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. Yesterday's goals, I'ma make sure that they mine today. Okay, Fresno where I be at. Find me where the trees at. I respect the woman who will get down on her kneecaps. I respect you niggas out here robbing in your ski mask. The government is dirty, find yourself dead in these streets fast. Yeah, I be smoking like sinners, I be posted. Trying to chase a dream and I see that it's approaching. OG got me floating, the smell is always potent. These girls are like receivers cause I swear they legs wide open, huh? I can hit one or I can dish one. It's up to me which one I want. I'm like I'm picking this one. And she smoked too, know how to roll too. She hit my line like match one. I told her go ahead come through. Been smoking since high school. Bullet High was my school. Senior year that first semester was weak cause my nigga had night school. High school was flight school. Fresh J's, yeah, Mike cool. Kept it lit every day, that's why we called it high school. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. I hop up out my bed cause I know I gotta grind today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. Yesterday's goals, I'ma make sure that they mine today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. I hop up out my bed cause I know I gotta grind today. Man, I'm just feeling like it's signing day. Yesterday's goals, I'ma make sure that they mine today. Okay, fresh nigga, I'm 5'6". Yo, girl gon' like this. I like you with a nice ass. Plus, if she got nice kicks, I love Vegas, that nice strip. Get a grip, vice grips. Y'all some actors with the lead role, but y'all following my script. And I'm just feeling like a pimp tonight. You niggas couldn't hurt me if you had a special kryptonite. In all blue, so I'm feeling like a kryptonite. But I don't bang, I do my thing. Come catch me at the green light. Catch me there if the scene right. The ladies want this nigga cause they know I do my thing right. And they know I love that thing right. But I can't do my thing if the chick don't keep her thing tight. Watch when this nigga in the limelight. Patience is key, but it'll happen when the time's right. Working hard like an optimist. Prime fight my opposition optimistic and we in the crime fight. Hey, I'ma leave the scene bloody. I'm a nutty professor. You know your chick is my buddy. Yeah, I'm about the money and some cutty and I never been.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is, please note, the new number is